Okay. So our next one is to create some array formulas. Okay, I've already got that downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and open Excel, create array formulas. Okay. All righty. So open, and then on the fuel worksheet. Okay, so I've got two little tabs down here. These are my worksheets, fuel and volume. We are in the workbook, create array. So that's the document level is the workbook, but then we have these sheets here, which we can add more to if we want to. Okay. And these sheets are when they're saying go to a specific sheet, that's where you want to be. So fuel, and then enter the array formula here. So equals C3. Oh, first I want to select all these cells. Okay, so I'm going to select them all. Then I'm going to say equals with them all selected. C3 times C9 F9. All right, cascades it for me. Here we go. Perfect. All right. And now I'm going to do in the volumes select D4 to D7 and say equals D4 D7 and C4. Okay. So I'm telling it for the first one, we're going to do B4 times C4. And then for each iteration after, you're going to go back and forth. Okay, there we go. So in theory, it should be that if we multiply these two numbers together, we get the exact same thing. Yep, we did. It's just in one, we would have individually had to go down, and in the other, we did not. Okay, same thing here. So it said sum C3 to C9 all the way through. Okay. So C3 never changed here, but it did change what it multiplied through. So each time it went through and multiplied by that. Okay, that's it. You're done with this one.